Here in Canal Road, Bradford, we've just completed a £2.4 million refurb, which we're very pleased with. We're able to showcase our products and customers can come to the showroom and enjoy the showroom in a COVID secure environment. What's new on site? We have 11 bay workshop, MOT bay. We now have much more parking for customers, 50 used cars on display outside. We can showcase more new vehicles within the showroom. We have a dedicated handover bay and a barista bar for our customers to enjoy. Additional to the facilities that we've added extra charging points. The showroom's fully air conditioned now with Wi-Fi also available for customers to use. We can now provide an experience befitting of the cars that we offer. We've got fantastic reception facilities, lots of space, bespoke seating. We can provide a luxury experience to match the products that we sell. Here at Canal Road, Bradford, we've got the all-new Defender, which continues the legacy of the iconic car itself. We've got brand new Range Rover Evoque coming in as plug-in hybrid, along with Land Rover Discovery Sport.